1.2 miles. Wow, I don't know if you can see in the trees all those nests. Eagle nest, heron, and then down there, it's a big one. I bet that's a heron's nest for sure. What a day. .5 miles. Just past a big A-frame on the left bank and another bigger house. GPS just turned over 3 miles. Really not much to report. Those are wild turkeys. I am not exaggerating when that's at least 50. I was coming down the river this way and they flew from over here, came over to this bank, and now they've been going back. So that may seem like it's a little bit, I've never seen so many turkeys at one spot. It's kind of funny they're on the river, huh? Maybe there's some cornfields on these banks. So just a little over just a little over an hour into the float, a little over 4 hours. Oh, there's some real close right there. There's one right there. It's up in this field, whatever's up here. So, well, sometimes to me it doesn't feel like the river's flowing. Here we can see that it's flowing. If you look back here, it's been low a couple spots. So far, so good. It's a paddle, it's not a float. Again, interesting, really interesting to me. There he goes. Get a fish, get a fish, get a fish, get a fish. Nope. .05 miles. That's a very large inlet. I don't know if that's man-made or if that's a creek coming in. Of course, am I going to check it out? Heck no. If you notice on river left, looks like we've got the jetty is back, and looks like we got a little bit of ripple run up. Get in a kayak, it's plenty warm. Camp Bagnell.
Well, we seen you down there this morning at the boat ramp down here, didn't we?
Yeah, that's where I'm headed. It's Cat Tillman Shack. On 10.7 miles, here's the approach to the boat ramp. You can see the guy in orange over there. He's walking on the boat ramp. That tall building up on the hill would be your real marker. We scouted out the other day and there's some chickens and roosters right at the parking lot. And I didn't know it was it till I heard a rooster, and then that made me take a better look. I made it. This might be the funniest part right here. Okay, well, I made it back. That was fun. I'm tired. Keep saying I want to do a 5-6 hour day. I don't know if I can yet or not. That was 3 hours more or less. Give you all the statistics. There it is, looking back up into the sun with this boat ramp. Truck, look at that tree. Talk about a tree that should be in the movies. That thing is huge at the base.